Hey everyone, imagine a world where there's a digital currency that can't be printed or copied, and there's only a limited amount of it. That's Bitcoin, with a maximum supply of just 21 million coins. Why does this matter? Creating value through scarcity. When something is rare, its value increases, like a unique painting or vintage car everyone wants. Bitcoin is similar. Because it's scarce, it becomes more valuable. Imagine holding something that can never be created again. Each Bitcoin can become a real treasure. Protection against inflation. When governments print new money, they reduce the value of our savings. But Bitcoin has a fixed limit, meaning no one can print more. As more people become interested in Bitcoin and use it, its value could grow, protecting your wealth from inflation. It's like holding digital gold. Control and decentralization. No government or central bank controls Bitcoin. No one can create more Bitcoins or manipulate its value. It's a system built on trust and transparency, where the rules are the same for everyone. With Bitcoin, you have complete control over your assets, without any intermediaries. Future potential. As more people learn why Bitcoin is so special, the demand could rise. And with a limited supply, the price could continue to grow. Imagine being one of the first to adopt this revolutionary technology and its new approach to money. It's a chance to join a financial revolution. Divisibility, accessible to everyone. Even though there are only 21 million Bitcoins, each Bitcoin can be divided into 100 million smaller units called satoshis. This means that anyone can own a piece of Bitcoin, no matter their financial situation, making it truly accessible for everyone. In summary, Bitcoin's 21 million cap isn't just a number, it's a new way of thinking about money, value, and ownership. Join this revolution and discover new ways to protect and build your wealth. Thanks for your time. Please like, comment, and subscribe.